Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Chairman of New Fortress Energy, Wes Eden, says he wants to develop Jamaica into a hub for refueling ships with natural gas. By 2020, ships entering the U.S. coastal waters will not be allowed access if their fuel source is heavy fuel oil. Mr. Eden says he hopes to have a terminal in operation by the end of this year to facilitate the fueling of ships with natural gas.
Includes not only for the power and for the transportation that is on the islands, but that transportation that's around the islands. And I think that we are very close to a time where you're going to see material conversions around the world from ships burning high sulfur diesel, because they have to, or high sulfur HFO, into natural gas. I think Jamaica and the hub that we are developing here will be a very, very pivotal part of that landscape.
Mr. Eden says he is also in discussions with the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, to fuel some of its buses with natural gas. The company, New Fortress Energy, is behind Jamaica's push to using natural gas for energy generation in the signature project being the new LNG power plant now under construction in Old Harbour. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.40. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $98.32. The pound sterling is going for $175.53, while the euro costs $155.53. The JSE index gained more than 695 points today, while the junior market index lost 5. Stocks posting gains included AMG Packaging and Paper, Cable and Wireless, Fosrich, JMMB Group, Lasco Distributors, Radio Jamaica, Supreme Ventures, and VM Investments. Among the losers were Burrito Investments, Carreras, Express Catering, Key Insurance, Lasco Financial, Palace Amusement, and Wisinco Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.